In this video, we are going to explore what RAG is. But before that, let us understand problem which we were facing using LLM, which is led to introduce RAG, or simply why use RAG. So to understand that, let us assume that you're working in a company and you have got an question like what is the number of leaves I can take per year. So if you can directly go and ask any of the GPT like Google Gemini or Claude or ChatGPT, it would give two types of answers. One is the hallucination answer. It states that you have 20 paid leaves or annual leaves. And second thing is I don't have access to your company's internal policies. So, but your target over here is to get the GPT answer from your company's database. So this company database or company internal policies have the documents which are very huge. It could be 500 GB or it could be more in TBs as well. So you might be having two options to use this data to get your answer. One is to get all those documents, all those PDFs, and upload it to upload those company docs to GPTs to get the answer. And second, the most appropriate way is to use the RAG. So let us explore before going into RAG. Let us explore what happens if you don't use RAG. What happens if you directly upload those company documents directly to GPT to get the answer. So if you use those company documents to directly upload to GPT, so the first issue would be the memory. Our GPT or our LLM model doesn't have the uh, enough memory to, if you have entered, if you have in one chat, if you have given the company docs, in the next chat or in a new chat it might not remember the previous docs. And second thing is there is a token limit. If the documents are very huge, then the GPT cannot answer it, or else you, first of all, you cannot upload those number of documents to the chat in the LLM. And the third and the most important thing is sensitive data. It is not appropriate to upload your company's sensitive data directly to GPT. So that's where the RAG comes into the picture. So in simple, a RAG, a retrieval augmented generation, is nothing but it allows your AI to answer the questions by using your company data instead of guessing. So that's what the RAG is. So now you have understood what RAG is. To build the RAG, there are two phases. The phase one would be offline process, which is splitting, embedding, and creating a vector database. And phase two would be user asks the questions, there is a top K chunks and LLM answers. The individual sections in RAG generation, splitting, embedding, and vector database, or phase two, whatever it is, it has its own importance. If you are attending any interview for AI engineers, you can expect at least one question for sure in the splitting. So that's how important each section is. So this video is just about a basic introduction of what RAG is. In the coming videos, we'll explain in detail what is splitting and what are the different methods we use in splitting as well as the embedding and vector database. Thanks for watching.